Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile for recruiter searches, step by step, fully updated for 2026. We'll start from logging in and go through everything you need to improve visibility. First, log into LinkedIn at linkedin.com. Use your main professional account and ensure your email is verified. A complete account is the foundation for ranking in recruiter searches. Next, go to Settings and Privacy, then Visibility, then Profile Viewing Options. Make sure your profile is set to your name and headline so recruiters can see your full profile. Now, optimize your headline, include your current role, key skills, and industry keywords. For example, digital marketing manager, SEO and content strategy, growth hacker. Keywords improve visibility in recruiter searches. Update your About section, include your expertise, achievements, and target roles. Write naturally, but include terms recruiters often search for, such as job titles and skills. Next, refine your experience section. Use clear job titles, list responsibilities, and highlight measurable results. Include keywords relevant to your industry to improve algorithm matching. Add and prioritize skills and endorsements. Include 15 to 20 skills most relevant to your role. Request endorsements from colleagues to boost credibility. Ensure your public profile is visible. Go to Settings, Arrow, Visibility Arrow. Edit your public profile and enable it for everyone. This improves search ranking. Engage regularly, post updates, share articles, comment on industry posts, and join relevant groups. Active profiles are ranked higher in recruiter searches. Finally, collect recommendations, authentic recommendations from managers or colleagues highlighting your skills and achievements boost both credibility and search visibility. And that's it. By logging in properly, setting profile visibility, optimizing headline, about experience, skills, maintaining activity, and getting recommendations, you can fully optimize your LinkedIn profile for recruiter searches. Hey everyone!